Here's a recap of what we grew in our vertical farm on aeroponic towers this year. Starting with veggies, we grew several types of cherry tomatoes including orange, yellow, and white cherry tomatoes. When it comes to peppers, we grew habaneros, piri piri, bird eye chilies, bell peppers, Carolina Reaper peppers, and these long yellow spicy peppers. In the cucurbit vegetable family, we cultivated white Japanese cucumbers, marketmore cucumbers, and unagi cucumbers. Another cucurbit that we planted were kiwanos, which have a really peculiar appearance and a unique flavor. We also cultivated traditional watermelons and yellow melons. When it comes to zucchinis, we grew different types of round zucchinis and traditional zucchinis such as noce, floridor yellow zucchinis, and striped Italian zucchinis. We even left some of our zucchinis overgrow into these monsters here. At this size, they're known as marrows. In the brassica vegetable family, we grew cabbages including standard round cabbages and cone cabbages. We planted green bok choy as well as white bok choy. These right here are known as kohlrabis, which are super crunchy and have a delicious flavor. They come in 3 different colors: green, purple, and white. We also grew arugula, kale, watercress, and mustard greens, which are brassicas as well. Moving onwards, we also grew purple beans and fennel, which produce humongous root structures. To attract essential pollinators and beneficial insects, we planted edible flowers including these giant yellow marigold flowers as well as different types of zinnias. We grew different varieties of basil including Nufar basil, Genovese basil, and Thai basil. We grew dozens of varieties of lettuces. We always had towers full of cilantro and parsley. Alright, here we go. Let's harvest this aeroponic cabbage from the tower garden. Oh, here it comes with all its roots. Oh my god, look at all those roots. Amazing. Gonna harvest a nice oak leaf lettuce from the tower garden. Wow, look at that. This revolutionary farming technique allows you to harvest up to 52 plants per square meter without the necessity for soil. Today we're going to demonstrate our propagation strategy for growing soilless lettuce on an aeroponic tower. To get started, soak your agricultural rock wool in water for 20 minutes until it is completely saturated. Rock wool is a soilless substrate that is made from basalt rock, which comes from the lava of volcanoes. This substrate is regularly used in hydroponics and aeroponics. After your rock wool has soaked, now place 1 lettuce seed per hole. There are 98 holes per tray. It is essential to know that if you put more than 1 seed per hole, it will overcrowd the growing ports and you will get inferior yields. It doesn't matter if you're growing romaine, batavia, oak leaf, salanova, lola, or iceberg lettuce, always put 1 seed per hole when cultivating fully grown lettuce. After placing 98 seeds, it is now time to place the vermiculite on top of each hole. Vermiculite is a naturally occurring mineral that is ideal for the germination process and provides the perfect water to air ratio. Next, we're going to label our tray in order to be able to easily identify the seedlings once they've germinated. Lastly, when growing outdoors, water your seedlings twice a day for optimal results, and within 2 weeks your seeds will have germinated and the seedlings will be ready for transplanting on the aeroponic tower. It then only takes 1 month of growth until you can harvest your aeroponic lettuce.